What's today, babe? Don't do that. It's my birthday. Let me make sure this thing is in focus because it's been acting weird.
Birthday.
Yes, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday to mommy.
Aww.
Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to mommy.
Happy birthday to Mom.
I'm putting my sequel. Thanks, Riley.
You're welcome, Mom.
We need candles for my cake.
Yeah, we do.
Las candelitas.
We should stop by somewhere.
Vamos a estar por Publix.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
A Publix.
First, we're gonna go out to eat.
Let's go.
Thanks for the idea, Gianni. Okay, this one is in my hair. My lipstick, my lip gloss. That's like the worst when your hair gets stuck in your lip gloss. Now I feel something on my lips.
Mom, now I can go like this now.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna go to a restaurant.
Hey, Mom, now we can sing our stupid heart now.
No. We'll probably get copyrighted. My stupid heart. Blah blah.
Mom, not on your sounds. I just want it just on the phone. You have your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, give me that now.
Okay, we'll record when we go to the restaurant a little bit. Alright, y'all, so we forgot to record the restaurant, but we went to PA Barbecue and it was really good. And some plates.
That's weird.
What?
When your stomach was on the table, I was just like, stop, stop. I was like, be careful. Be careful. Baby on board, like. Baby on board. What?
Mom, we have to
He
say
said he
happy
wants
birthday.
cake.
Get the fine china, right? Not that front paper shit.
Get the Cristal.
Yeah, the croissant.
Oh yeah, the cookies for people that don't like cake. You like cake?
Who doesn't like cake?
I don't know.
I
I like this cake.
was kind of looking at him.
I prefer a burger cake.
Burger cake?
It's basically just a big burger.
Can people have both?
What?
Like people that do love cake and hate cake at the same time?
Oh, the lights.
I want both. I'm just saying.
That's an Oreo cake.
I just want both.
That's nice.
People do. What do they do? Ice cream and
Cookies and cream?
No, ice cream and cake. Which I always didn't like that mixture.
sounds
I rather
familiar.
have cookies and.
I know it's like the frozen little sandwiches.
Okay, you're having a good
I
Wait,
would
there's no
say,
more of these?
I would say, Alex, why don't you just get one of the candles and just, you know,
Yeah, that's usually how people do it.
Yeah,
like they do at
I tried
church.
to do it, but it didn't.
Fix their tires.
Oops.
On this day, 33 years ago.
33. I'm
Are you?
21.
Wow, 20. Don't you lie.
Just kidding. I'm exactly
You're
the same
born on
age
March
Jesus
3rd.
was when they killed him.
You're born on March.
I always used to think that. I'm like, I wonder if I'll make it.
Wait,
to
he
50.
died at 33?
Yeah.
I think so.
I think it was like 40.
Friday.
Wait, ready?
Everybody sing to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lori. Happy birthday to you.
I almost said,
Yay!
I almost
Your name
said,
is Mom.
I almost said
What?
mommy.
I thought your name was Mom.
You know you're lying. I'm blowing my candles out, Riley. I'm
No,
gonna
I'll
make a wish.
vote for you.
Okay, ready, set, go.
She knows.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah, more special
There's
every
smoke in here.
Huh?
There's smoke in
Yeah,
here.
because of the candles.
Yeah, because of the candle.
What do you expect it to be? Magic?
Where's the plates? Why are we
Right
in
here.
plastic plates? I don't want to wash
Because of the
dishes.
china. Well, now get some plastic. I'll get the
I will
plastic.
wash the dishes. Come on,
Oh, Gianni washed dishes yourself.
Now.
You wanted to learn.
I'll wash the dishes, Mom.
What was that?
Brother.
Mom, I don't like those.
It's going back to his game.
I don't know how should I cut this since not everybody wants cake.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want
I'll just cut
it.
it in.
This knife sucks.
Just cut it in halves.
I'll just do it like that.
Oh shit, I got two.
Oh, you brought them from over there?
Yeah, because I had to shred it so that.
Where are they here, babe? I don't see where to find them.
Wait,
In that cabinet!
you didn't bring the
In the middle? No! Yeah, that's how you know you don't cook or anything. Right there.
Oh, I showed up. Really?
Of course I don't cook.
I want this one.
Yeah.
Because it has
I don't want cake.
The big
What?
strawberry?
You don't want cake?
Well, you get a cookie then.
I don't want
Take a
cake.
cookie.
Okay, I'll
You want cake, you can?
No, dude, I don't want cake.
You want a cookie?
Okay.
I haven't
And a
had.
cookie?
Yeah, and a cookie. I'm special.
There you
Chocolate
go.
chip or spoonful?
No, both.
Mm.
Take your plate.
Oh, it's so good.
I gotta go wash my hands so I can eat it.
You know, just for whatever.
Cake, whatever. Is it okay? Is it bright enough in here? I think so. Oh my gosh. Hey guys. Okay, so I don't think I've told you guys this. Alright, you guys. I'm over here doing my nails on my birthday. I just had a set on. I'll show you a picture somewhere here. But I did them like last week or something. I don't know. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram here. But I did those because I wanted to take some photos of me doing basically triple X. Sorry, let me turn this off. Nails. So today we're just doing XL, or my version of XL. So I just decided, since I'm doing my nails, to just talk to you guys really quick. So I don't know if like I said, if you guys do follow me on Instagram, those of you that do know, I am like 6 months pregnant, and it's a little baby girl, so I'm excited. We actually picked her name out already, and it's Camilla Cabello vibes. But anyway, her dad picked it out. He tends to pick out all the girl names. But anyway, yeah, I'm just chilling. We went out to eat earlier. You probably saw that if I inserted in the video somewhere, and I forgot to film inside the restaurant. I don't like, I used to vlog more back then, and I don't anymore. I keep forgetting to like take out the camera sometimes. But yeah, so now we're just here. My boyfriend got me these balloons. I'll show you guys. They're huge though. Got some balloons. They're huge. This should be a thumbnail. Okay. Maybe I'll use it as a thumbnail. Oh, I dropped them. Okay, so my boyfriend got me balloons, and he got me some flowers. Let me see if you guys, you know what? I'll just pick them up because I don't feel like moving the camera. I keep moving it. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Look how pretty, you guys. They're beautiful. I love them. And I love that bucket they're in. They're so heavy. My dad bought me some flowers. And he got me cupcakes. The kids ate them already. And oh yeah, so and then my boyfriend took me out. He let me buy let me buy what I wanted. I'm drinking lemonade. But I was like, when I got home, I got tired, sleepy. I'm going into my 3rd trimester, so surprise, surprise. I know some of you didn't know. And I'm like that far along, but yeah, I got home and I'm so tired, so I took a nap. What you doing, Riley? Every time she rides in her tricycle, I'm recording. Every time she rides in her tricycle, she reminds me of Saw. Anyway, but yeah. Riley wants her nails done, right, Riley? But I told her, let me finish mine at least. And I don't know if I should give myself a fill. Because I only did them a week ago, but I'm already tired. I get tired of my nails so fast. Nail tech problem. We just get tired of seeing the same thing on our hands. And I don't know what color I want to do since, well, Easter's around the corner. Do you think I should do Easter colors, Riley? Or should I just do one color?
Just one color.
One color? Do you want to say hi? Want to be on camera with all that cupcake on your face? Let me move this. Oops. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. You wanna go? You wanna stay? You wanna tell them something?
What?
You wanna tell them something? What are you
Take
gonna
a
tell them?
bath?
You wanna take a bath? Well, you gotta wait now. If I wanted your nose then.
I want to get that.
Oh my gosh, guys, she's 4 and she's about to be 5.
Mommy, you do
Worst
Easter?
temper tantrums.
Mommy, you do
Attitude.
Easter for me on my nails?
Yeah, we could do that.
Mommy, where's white? The Easter bunny needs to be white.
He needs to be white.
Look at this ducky.
I'll find the white, okay?
Okay, I'll find it though.
Okay, it's in there. You see that box at the bottom?
What's
Yeah, right.
that?
Yeah, open it. Oh, and you guys, I haven't been working for like a while, and I'm going back to work, so hence I painted the room. My boyfriend removed all of the, I think it's like the border of the floor of the walls, and he's putting a new one in. We're remodeling the bathroom. It's just, we've been busy, but we've been trying to get things done, and we had a little issue. Yeah, it's in there. We had an incident where we hired somebody to do the bathroom and they never came back. So we had to hire somebody else, and we still have to finish it. It's almost done, but I'm so happy because that bathroom needed it really bad. But yeah, well, this is just a catch up with me video because I feel like I haven't been posting at all. I'm always like that. I'm always on ghosts. I feel horrible. But here I am. What else is new? Sorry, I'm really focused on this. Oh, my air turned on, so if you hear that, sorry. I mean, for the most part, yeah, you guys, 6 months pregnant. I might have a baby shower. I'm still thinking about it. Let me know if you guys think I should. I don't know. By the 3rd kid, I'm just like tired of everything. But the pregnancy's been going really good. What else? What else? What, Riley? That one? That looks... Oh, we got 2 pinks already. She's getting like Easter colors. She always picks the same colors over and over. You literally always wear those colors.
Mommy, where's my ducky meat?
What ducky? You had it in your mouth. Where'd you put it? I don't know, Mama.
It's on the floor.
But yeah, you guys, I have some videos I need to edit too, and when I tell you I'm tired, I'm tired. I just like pregnancy tired. I don't sleep well at night. I get really bad restless leg syndrome. Who knows what that is? Comment down below if you've had that during your pregnancy or at all. When I was a kid, I used to have that. I don't know if it was growing pains as a kid, but I just remember my mom used to make me wake up because, well, not make me wake up, I wouldn't be able to sleep, and she would get me out of the bed and make me walk around the house because my legs were just, it felt like restless legs, to be honest. And my daughter's actually been going through it too because she's 4, so it's the age it usually happens. But for me, oh my god, if I hate pregnancy, if there's one thing that I hate about it, it's when I get really bad restless legs. I'm sorry if this is annoying you guys, it's late. But yeah, that is the worst part for me. Besides peeing every freaking 5 minutes. And where the heck did my daughter go? But yeah, I just wanted to share some stuff with you guys since it's been a hot minute. So I will see you guys in another video. But I just want, like I said, wanted to catch up and let you guys know what's been going on mainly with me. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon, and don't forget to wish me happy birthday in the comments down below. Bye guys.